Denver, New York Animal Hospital. Need to find a full-service animal hospital in Denver, New York. See why families in Denver have chosen Animal Hospital of Sullivan County for over 70 years. Families in Denver, New York trust Animal Hospital of Sullivan County, which has operated since 1953 as the oldest animal hospital in Sullivan County. This Denver facility is woman-owned, veteran-operated, and remains family-run since its founding. That culture of ownership shapes how every patient is handled at every stage. More than 70 years serving Denver, New York, and Sullivan County means generations of local families have trusted their animals here, from young puppies to senior pets needing advanced care. Animal Hospital of Sullivan County has held AAH-A accreditation since 1983 and remains the only AAAH-A-accredited animal hospital in Sullivan County. That standing has been maintained for more than 4 decades. AAA accreditation requires meeting or exceeding 900 separate standards across clinical care, surgery, anesthesia, pain management, facility cleanliness, and client communication. Less than 15% of animal hospitals in North America earn AAH-A accreditation. Holding it since 1983 means we uphold these benchmarks every single day of the year. Animal Hospital of Sullivan County provides full-service care including routine checkups, immunizations, dental cleanings, surgical services, and urgent care, all handled in a single AAH-A accredited facility. Families in Denver have relied on Companion Memorial Crematorium on-site for more than 20 years, with compassionate aftercare from the same team that cared for their pets. Specialty referrals are available when a case goes beyond the scope of in-house care. Your pet receives advanced treatment while staying in contact with their regular team. Feline patients in Denver, New York have access to separate exam rooms reserved for cats, away from dog traffic. Reducing cross-species stress leads to calmer exams and better assessments. Gentle, patient handling is practiced throughout this Denver facility. Staff members approach pets at eye level, use calming techniques, and avoid unnecessary restraint whenever possible. A free client app lets clients schedule visits, track vaccination records, and get notifications directly from the hospital. It puts scheduling entirely in the client's hands. Online scheduling can be completed through the hospital's website around the clock. Both new and existing patients can book an appointment in just a few steps, finding time into any routine. Local families have relied on this hospital for decades. People who first visited as kids now return with their own pets, a pattern that only comes from decades of consistent quality care. Scheduling a visit in Denver, New York is straightforward. New and returning clients can reach the hospital directly to answer questions about your pet's needs before visiting. During the initial appointment, an assessment is performed. The team reviews the animal's background, performs a thorough physical examination, and talks through questions before creating a care plan. Animal Hospital of Sullivan County serves families across Sullivan County, including clients who drive long distances because they prioritize our accredited care and a trusted animal hospital. Whether your pet needs a wellness exam, a dental cleaning, or evaluation for a health concern, the team at Animal Hospital of Sullivan County is ready to help with resources of an accredited hospital. Check out ahofsc.com to explore our services and get in touch. Animal Hospital of Sullivan County has been serving the community since 1953, and the same standard of care remains today. From the start in 1953 to the current facility today, Animal Hospital of Sullivan County has always continued investing in the standard of animal care for Catskills area families and the pets they love. Find a trusted animal hospital in Denver, New York. Visit ahofsc.com today to schedule an appointment. When you need an animal hospital in Denver, New York, click the link below or visit ahofsc.com to learn more.